This video will show you how to install the 326202 soft close seat onto a Caroma or other elongated toilet bowl. The 326202 seat includes the parts that you see pictured here: a set of 2 plastic anchors, 2 flat rubber hinge washers, 4 metal hinge adjustment plates, and 2 metal screws. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver that isn't included. Installation of this seat is really quick and easy. First, from above, insert the expandable plastic anchors into the seat fixing holes. Push them all the way in until they're flush with the surface of the bowl. Next, you'll insert the rubber hinge washers into the bottom of the seat hinges. Then flip the seat over and place on top of the bowl, making sure to line up the holes in the hinges with the holes in the toilet bowl. You'll see that you have 2 sets of metal hinge adjustment plates. This is because different bowls can have small differences in the placement of the seat holes. Notice how for this bowl the washer on the right aligns better with the hole, which will allow the bolt to fit in properly. So we are choosing the metal washers with the centered holes. Your bowl may need the offset washers. Just choose the one that fits best. Now insert the metal screws into the holes and tighten partway, leaving the seat loose. You can now straighten the seat so that both the sides and the front of the seat align perfectly with the bowl. Once you're happy with that alignment, finish tightening the bolts and then snap the hinge covers back into place. If you have any questions about this or any Caroma product, please contact our customer service team at 1-800-460-7019 or email us at help@sustainablesolutions.com.